It's a perfect day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way.
It is a perfect day for wing gliding.
Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. But if nothing else goes wrong, here it goes. With these wings. So
Hello!
yes, I'm ready. Let's get up to visualize.
Whoa! Whoa!
Take off!
Whoa!
Hey, you found Berg's Chronicle nest. Yay! There's nothing horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving.
Okay. Oh
Uh-oh.
no! Oh no!
But then I was finished doing that. And they're back. Okay, hang on. Fancy flying just showed off. You can join Toothless and me for